Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi and I am a psychiatrist and a makeup artist. And if you love makeup tutorials, DIYs, reviews, and a lot of other girly stuff videos, consider subscribing so you have a notification when I upload a new video on my channel. And if you are a subscriber already and you're coming back to my channel, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you all here. In this video, we're gonna talk, of course, about a mascara review. I love mascara review. If you are following me from a while or you follow me on my old channel, I love mascara reviews and do all the time, and I'm gonna talk about this mascara from Catrice, Catrice, whatever you're gonna call it. It's Catrice Cosmetic. It's a Glam and Doll false lashes mascara. It's the blackest false lashes. So there's everything on the packaging, and as you can see, the first thing we're gonna talk about is the packaging, of course. The packaging, as you can see, looks so pretty. I love the packaging of this one. It's amazing. It has this metallic light purple, and it's so like feminine. I love the packaging of this one. It's so amazing. So in purple, one of my favorite colors. So yeah, it's amazing. Next, we're gonna talk about the brush, of course, and the brush is a silicone brush, which is amazing because I love silicone brush more than regular brush. So as you can see, this is the brush itself, and it's so amazing. It has this curved, like having the eye shape or this curve shape, and the bristles is plastic, of course, it's silicone, and it's pretty short, but in the same time it does a really good job in just combing your lashes when you apply the mascara from down and from up, because I have very long crazy lashes. So the brush itself, when it's really small and have a really nice shape and the bristles is small, is the perfect brush shape for me, because I don't want to smudge my makeup when I apply makeup, especially a dramatic one. So I try to keep my mascaras in really nice kind of a really small brushes as much as I can, but I really want to do a lot of reviews. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna try more like different things. So anyway, go to the brush. So the brush is amazing, and it's silicone, of course, so it can bend with your eye. The bristle doesn't hurt my eye. It does apply the mascara very perfectly and comb my lashes at the same time. So for the brush, it's amazing. For the mascara itself, the material itself, it's really soft and really black. It's the blackest, yeah. Here is the blackest, and it's really black. I love it so much. I love black mascara because I have a really kind of a brown golden light lashes, so it's really long, but in the same time my normal lashes, maybe you can see it like in the full length when I don't have any mascara on, but with the black mascara it just really like a light coat make my eyes pop and make everything nice. So it's really black and really nice. So now I'm gonna leave you to see my eyes when I applied one coat and two coat to one eye, comparing to my bare lashes, so you can see the difference between before and after, and 1-2 coats and before. So yeah. Okay, now talking about the staying power. This mascara stays on forever. It's amazing. It doesn't smudge underneath your eyes during the day, especially in the hot weather. It just stays on from day to night, so it's amazing. Even with 2 coats or maybe even 3 coats. Sometimes I apply like a third coat on the outer half of my upper lashes from above to add this kind of a dramatic cat eye effect. So this one stays on, doesn't smudge underneath my eyes during the day, and stays on from day to night, so the staying power is perfect. The smudging during the day, we just talked about it. It doesn't smudge underneath my eyes, which is perfect, especially in the hot weather. And for banda eyes, it doesn't make banda eyes when I wash my face, especially when I have multiple coats. Usually I just like wash my eye first very gently to remove most of the mascara, and then another time just washing my whole face. So doing the second wash, or washing the whole face with my eyes, it removes all the mascara, doesn't have any residue on my eyes, it's completely clean, and it doesn't make any band eye, especially it's really black. So some black mascaras do like having this kind of a really black band eyes underneath your eyes, which is not nice because cleaning this area is really sensitive. So having band eyes is really like hurts a lot when you clean it, so it doesn't do this band eyes, which is perfect. So overall about this mascara, everything about it is pretty good so far. So the packaging, amazing. The brush is amazing. The material itself, soft, black, and nice. Staying power is perfect. No smudging, no band eyes. So this one like is a palm, and yeah, have like a multiple thumbs up. So this one is really recommended, and of course I'm gonna buy it when it's empty, because when you have a really good product, this one is one of my favorites, so of course I'm gonna replace it when it's gone. So this is for this review. I really hope you like it and it was helpful for you. And as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye!